Dozens of rape and murder suspects could be soon out of jail and back on the streets. That's because of a backlog of cases, many of those stacked up during the COVID pandemic, and the timeline that Fulton County's District Attorney Fani Willis is up against. She'll be holding a press conference later this morning to talk about this issue. Mara Sirianni joining us live from outside the Fulton County Jail to walk us through what this all means for our community, Mara.
Yeah, that backlog is mounting and it's also overwhelming. DA Fani Willis says the shortage of money and manpower is to blame. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis said her office has been working around the clock and prioritizing sexual predator and other serious cases. The backlog also includes 224 murder defendants who have yet to be indicted.
That has to be balanced against the individual that's charged, their right to due process.
Former DeKalb County District Attorney Robert James says all of them are entitled to bond if they're not indicted within 90 days. And though that law was suspended during the pandemic, it was reinstated over the summer. James says Willis will need many resources to get to all those cases on time.
Puts tremendous pressure on a DA's office, because no one wants to see bad guys back out on the street.
Earlier this month, Willis received $5 million in extra funding from county commissioners to immediately hire 55 more employees to help make that happen.
You need court dates and you need prosecutors and administrative staff and investigators.
But Willis says that's money she had been requesting for months, and the delay could mean some possibly violent defendants paying bond and walking out of jail. And Aisha, this is something, the backlog is something that we are expected to get an update on at 9 o'clock this morning. I will be in there speaking with DA Willis, and we'll bring you that update at 11:30.
All right. Thank you so much, Mara. We'll see you on midday.